Have you ever wondered which bird's sweet melodies have inspired poets, artists, and cultures for centuries? Welcome to the fascinating world of the bulbul bird, a small yet captivating creature whose charm lies in its song, vibrant presence, and ecological importance. Stick around as we uncover the secrets of this extraordinary avian gem. Bulbuls are found across Asia, the Middle East, and parts of Africa, thriving in diverse habitats such as forests, gardens, and urban spaces. These adaptable birds bring life and music wherever they go. With their sleek plumage ranging from earthy browns to vibrant yellows, and their distinctive crests, bulbuls are a sight to behold. Their sharp eyes and elegant build make them a symbol of grace in the avian world. Bulbuls are famed for their melodious songs, which they use to attract mates and establish territories. Some species are exceptional mimics, imitating other bird calls with striking precision. As pollinators and seed dispersers, bulbuls play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance, helping plants thrive and ecosystems flourish. Their diet is diverse, ranging from fruits and nectar to insects. Their foraging habits ensure they contribute to pest control while aiding plant reproduction. From Persian poetry to Indian folklore, the bulbul represents love, beauty, and resilience. Its songs have woven their way into human culture for generations. Did you know bulbuls can sing up to 30 different tunes? Compared to sparrows, their repertoire and adaptability make them a standout. Despite their modest size, they're nature's virtuosos. The bulbul's tale is one of beauty, melody, and ecological significance. What other hidden wonders do birds like the bulbul hold in their wings? Stay tuned for more birds video. So you must subscribe and share your favorite bird memory in the comments that continue to explore the wonders of birds